Facts about Mercury. The surface temperature in the day is 425 degrees Celsius, and at night it's negative 170 degrees Celsius. It has no moons, and its name comes from the Roman god Mercury, who was the god of messengers.
Mercury was discovered by the Sumerians around 3000 BC, and also it has no atmosphere.
The diameter of Mercury is 4,879.4 kilometers. It ranges from about 28.5 million miles to 43 miles from the Sun.
It's the smallest planet, and it's closest to the Sun.
Galileo discovered Venus in 1610. It was also the Roman goddess of love.
Venus is 67.2 million miles away from the Sun. The diameter of Venus is also 12,100 kilometers.
It is 894 degrees Fahrenheit or 480 degrees Celsius. There are 166 known.
We are Earth. Aristotle discovered that the Earth is round in 350 BC. Before that, everybody thought that the world was flat. The diameter of the Earth is 12,714 kilometers from pole to pole and 12,758 kilometers around the equator.
We are 93 million miles from the Sun, and 57.2 degrees Fahrenheit is the surface temperature.
We have one moon, and once thought to be the Earth means once thought to be four elements compound the universe.
The Earth was once meant. The meaning of the word Earth was once one of the four materials composing the Earth.
A Danish astronomer named Tycho Brahe discovered Mars in 1576. The planet Mars' name means God of War.
The distance from the planet to the Sun in miles is 142 million, and the surface temperature is negative 125 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius.
Mars has two small moons, and the diameter of the planet is 6,792 kilometers.
The surface appears red because of the iron oxide in the soil. Huge dust storms often blanket the planet.
Mars has higher mountains and deeper canyons than any other planet. The month of March was named after Mars.
Jupiter. The planet has been visible to the naked eye. No one can claim for discovering this since it has been visible for a long time.
The name Jupiter is named after the Roman god Jove, and he is associated with lightning and thunder.
Jupiter's orbit is elliptical. It can be 460,237,112 miles to 507,040,015 miles away from the Sun.
Distance the planet is from the Sun. Jupiter orbit is elliptical. It can be 460.2. Jupiter diameter from the equator is 142.984 kilometers. Jupiter is 11.2 times the size of the Earth, and it is larger than any other body in the solar system other than the Sun.
The surface temperature is negative 145 degrees Celsius.
The Jupiter has a total of 66 confirmed moons.
Who discovered Saturn and when? Galileo discovered Saturn in the year 1610 with his microscope. What does the name Saturn mean? The name Saturn means god of agriculture. What is the distance of Saturn to the sun in miles? Saturn is 885 million miles away from the sun. What's the surface temperature of Saturn? The surface temperature of Saturn is negative 139.15 degrees Celsius. What is the diameter of Saturn? The diameter of Saturn is 120,536 kilometers. How many moons does Saturn have? Saturn has at least 31 moons.
Some interesting facts about Saturn is that the winds flow from east or west at the same time, is that you can see it with your own eyes too without looking through a telescope.
Uranus was discovered by William Herschel, and he found it on March 13, 1781. Uranus means it's a personification of heaven or the sky.
Uranus is 1,783,939,400 miles from the sun, and its diameter is 51,118 kilometers.
Uranus' surface temperature is negative 371 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has 21 moons.
Our planet is Neptune, and Urban Lee Veer, John Couch Adams, and Joanne Galley discovered Neptune on September 23, 1846. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea.
Neptune is 2.8 billion miles away from the sun. The diameter of Neptune is 49,528 kilometers.
The surface temperature of Neptune is negative 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and Neptune has 13 moons.
Right here names all the moons.
Hi.